In this video tutorial, we are going to take a look at how to create categories, step by step. So let's get started. So from your WordPress dashboard, go to Posts and select Categories. Here to add new categories, first enter its name. Then slug, a small description and click on Add New Category button. So now your category has been added in the list and from here you can view it. Now let's add another category. You can also select its parent category from here, and click on Add New Category button. Once done, go to All Posts, and from here choose one post to edit by clicking on Edit button. Here on right, we have Categories tab. From here select the category for your post. Or you can add new category from here, just enter its name, and click on Add New Category button. As you can see, it is added here. So this way, add categories to your posts and then select your post category and click on Update button. Then click on View Post and here on right, you can see your post categories. Click on it to open it. And here you can see all the posts in this category. Click on Post Title to open it. Back on WordPress. So this is how you can create categories for your posts. Thank you for watching.